In line with the Republic Act number 8749, otherwise known as the Philippine Clean Air Act, undergoing an emission testing is a standard part of motor vehicle registration in the Philippines. The Department of Transportation, or DOTr, requires private and public cars to take the emission test upon registration to ensure its roadworthiness. To tell us more about the said process, we have here the President of the Private Emission Testing Center Owners Association, or PETCOA, Mr. Mark Halili.
Right now, you just have to, once you time na for registration, you have to go to a private emission testing center. Now, syempre may queuing. Maganda sana if the motor vehicle owner would come in 2 weeks before the registration, no? Parang di masyadong pila, tsaka kung maganda middle of the week, no? Kasi pag Monday or Friday, medyo puno. Well, anyway, ang process naman dyan is they just have to come in, no? And just talk to any private emission testing center technician na sila na mag-a-assist on what to do or where to park or saan nila po-position yung vehicle nila. Depende kasi for every PETC. It's a different setup.
According to Mr. Halili, if possible, car owners must take the emission test every after changing the intake system of their motor vehicle.
In my opinion, no, every time na mag-change sila ng exhaust or anything in the intake system ng motor vehicle, they should go para malaman nila kung it affected their emissions. Kasi dapat within standards, dapat mababa. Yung iba kasi, like for example, yung exhaust system, yung iba nagmo-modify ng mga makina, tinatanggal nila yung catalytic converter para mas malakas yun. Syempre, tataas yung emissions nila.
Mr. Halili says that the standard emissions include Euro 1 and Euro 4, yet it's still according to the year model of the vehicle.
Kung year model mo like mga vintage, mga 20 years ago, iba yung standards nun, syempre, mas mababa, no? Or mas maluwag. Pero yung mga bago ngayon, mas mahigpit na yung kailangan nilang ipasang standards.
The PETCOA president reminds the motoring public to take the emission test only through authorized emission testing centers.
The LTO has a list, or the DOTr has a list of where yung mga located yung mga emission testing centers. Kasi they have to go through authorization sa DOTr before they can operate. And DOTr and LTO has that list.
Mr. Halili highlights the importance of motor vehicles taking the emission test upon registration.
Kasi according to studies, 80% ng pollution sa Philippines comes from motor vehicles. So if you can control that, no? Edi mas maganda mas healthy tayo kasi mas healthy yung air.
Mr. Mark Halili, President of Private Emission Testing Center Owners Association, our guest this week on Motoring Today's Motoring Forum, courtesy of Suzuki Philippines.